Next.
Father, forgive me for I have sinned.
The Lord bless you. Go ahead and confess your sins.
I stole my dad's money to give to my boyfriend, just for him to travel abroad.
You stole your father's money?
Yes.
And give it to your boyfriend?
Yes, Father.
So he will travel abroad?
Yes, Father. And ever since he returned, he has abandoned me for another girl.
You stole your father's money?
Yes.
To give to your boyfriend to travel abroad. Now he has made money. He's back,
Yes, Father.
And he has abandoned you.
Yes, Father.
My sister, he really needed to abandon you.
But why, Father?
If you ask me that question again, I will twist out your mouth. You stole your father's money to give boyfriend, and you think if he makes money, he will come and marry you. Wait, I want to see you. Come out. My friend, come out. I want to come and stand here.
Okay, Father.
Inshallah. You like this. Oh, you are the one that's even saying they abandoned you. Like this. Do you know as you are now, you look like an abandoned project. No, look at yourself. You look like an uncompleted building. Yes. Look at the mansion on your head. With this hairstyle, there's no way you can think straight. How can you say he abandoned you? If it's you, wouldn't you abandon yourself? You stole from a man to help another man, and now you don't even have a man. Yes, now. If you cry here, the slap I will give you. Look at this girl. So you want somebody that has traveled abroad, that has seen Oyibo girls, to condescend or stoop so low to not come and marry you? You like this. When you were giving him that money, you think he didn't know that you don't have sense. He say he abandoned you. See, why won't he abandon you? See how short you are. You look like a news headline. Very brief. My friend, will you shut up? No, how can somebody marry you like this? Look at your weight. Do you know somebody cannot say you are fat? You are not fat. You are obvious. You are elaborate. You are expatiated. What kind of a girl is this?
But Father, I loved him.
Shut up. Love who, Bakwako? You love who? What do you know about love? Do you know as you are now, you don't even look like someone that can fall in love. Because if you fall, nobody can catch you. With this your weight. So you that is fat, that's supposed to have stamina, you can still fall in love. How old are you?
Father, I'm 21.
You are 21. And you already have the hand of a Christian mother. Do you know when you were coming? I thought you were a member of the CWO. Catholic Women Organization. How can the boy marry you like this? See how you look like a nursing mother. Do you know if that boy should marry you now, nobody will believe you are his wife. They will think you are his mother-in-law. What's that your name again? Martha. Your name is Martha. Yet you don't even matter. You don't matter to anybody now. If I were to be your father, if I were to be your father, do you know I will just use you to sow seed. I will use you to sow seed. Just that it's not every seed that you sow. A seed like you will not germinate. Look at. Do you know if they ever use you to sow seed, they cannot water you. Because as you are, with this your size, you look like a water tanker.
I'm not fat.
Shut up. You're fat. Yes, you are not fat. You are not fat. You are everywhere. Do you know with this your size, somebody can say you are full of yourself. So you just be stealing money from your father to sponsor man. Okay, now that he has abandoned you, go and steal again to sponsor him. You just be sponsoring different men. Just be sponsoring them like that. Do you know this is your leg? You can't call it K leg now. Like or bracket leg. It's not. This leg is like mathematics, greater than, less than.
But Father, I am okay now.
You are okay. Beauty is in the eyes of the blind people that can see it. Oh, they say it's in the eyes of the beholder. But you don't even behold it. I don't blame that boy. So your own is to be sponsoring men. That is what you are doing now. You will steal from your father to sponsor. Okay, now that this one has abandoned, oh yeah, go and steal again and sponsor another person.
Father, that's why I need to confess myself.
You have confessed.
Pray for me, Father.
Okay, what will I pray now? For the boy to come back? No, I cannot pray for the boy to come back. Bible says we should not wish others bad. So I cannot pray for him to come back. But I'll just pray. God will forgive you. But you must pray 700 Hail Mary. 1,350 Our Father. Then you must recite Psalm 23 100 times every 1 hour for 3 days. Yes. That's so that you can have sense. Then go and read the book of Proverbs. Read from chapter 1 to the end. Because it's a book of wisdom. So that you know how to things to sponsor. You are supposed to sponsor the gospel, not to sponsor a man. You just thief. You thief from your father. You sponsor man. You steal again. You sponsor another man. You steal. You sponsor man. Can I get out? I say get out.
You mean I should go?
Come on, get out. Before you sponsor me.